Hi, I'm Andy Birch, owner of Hoosier Windows and Siding, and we're here at our window wall, and we invite you into the showroom to feel the difference. And basically, this setup is to show you the efficiency values in different glass packs that people have on the market. And there is a huge difference. So basically, these are warmers, heat lamps to emulate sun coming into your house. And if I flip this on, you can actually feel the difference. That's why this wall is called Feel the Difference. So you can actually feel the heat coming through the glass of each different glass pack that's on the market. And then you can feel that, and then we challenge you, invite you to feel ours. And you can definitely feel the difference in the efficiency values. And that's what we take pride in here at Hoosier Windows and Siding, is to offer a high quality, super energy efficient windows to fit your everyday needs. So we can customize the window for you with 3 different frames and 3 different glass packs to put on them. So you can build your own window according to your energy efficient needs, or all the way down to your budget, or somewhere in between. So if you like what you see, give us a call here at Hoosier Windows and Siding, 260-748-7980. And I might be the one to come out and take a look at it. So give us a call here and we can take care of you with a free in-home consultation.